We have red on the screen and a lot of red on the screen, both for the Sensex, for the Nifty, for the Bank Nifty, for the IT index, and then for the metal index. You want to start with Infosys because Infosys so far has been a big massive outperformer. If I map the last 15 days of performance, Infosys is correcting now, sub 2500 rupees for Infosys Technologies. Metals will be in focus, especially Sesa because they still get about 65 to 70% of their total revenue from Goa. So Sesa is under intense pressure and it is likely to remain like that. JSPL again, after the CG report, is a stock which is massively underperforming Indian markets. 342 rupees when it comes to JSPL. I also want to map consumption names now. HUL, ITC, first the large cap names, then we look at Pharma, which is Ranback, C and Cipla, and then let's look outside the index. VIP Industries, where our technical experts have a buy. Then let's look at Jubilant, Asian Paints, and then let's also map how Glaxo Consumer is moving. So consumption stocks are holding on, IT is correcting, metal stocks are under pressure, and ADAG group stocks are flat.
Oh yes, while Sesa continues to reel under pressure, you've got some more news-based counters. So let's tell you how they are currently panning out in trade. Day 2 of Infosys and ONGC and the acquisitions they announced yesterday. So let's get your status check on Infi as well as ONGC. ONGC, quiet is how it started out trade with a negative bias, and Infi as well would just come up for you on your screens. That stock as well is lower by about 0.7%. Deccan Chronicle, that should come up for you on your screens next, and that is one in focus, considering now the venture capitalist, that is Srini Raju, is willing to invest in Deccan Chronicle holdings at the right price. That is what some of the newspaper reports are indicating this morning. So Deccan Chronicle is now just a smidge higher, up by about 2.6% or so. 1365 is where the stock is. IRB Infrastructure as well as Infosys on day 2, like I just said, they are the ones which are in focus. Some news reports to indicate that Infosys' BPO arm, that is McCamish, has acquired the US-based Marsh BPO. That is what reports are indicating. Infosys, second acquisition in 2 days, the stock is down by about 1% or so. IRB Infrastructure, wherein it's received the service tax demand notice of about 60.46 crore rupees from the IT department. IRB, predictable lines, the stock has started off weak, down by about almost 2% or so.